These candlesticks that you see right here are changing people's lives each and every day. That is how this trader bought his dream car. If you know him, like this video. And if you also want to change your life, today I'm going to be giving you a very simple trading strategy which can actually turn a $25 account into over $500. Very simple but powerful. The broker that I'm using is Xness. Make sure you open your account using the link below to also turn a small account into a big account very quick. For you to be able to turn a $25 account into over $500 using this exact strategy, the first thing that you must do is to go on a 1 hour time frame. Then I had to pull my Fibonacci from the bottom down there to the top down there. When the market get to the top there, the market formed a very powerful M pattern and then came down like this. This M pattern is a reversal pattern, which actually meant the market, when it goes down here, it is actually going to reverse and go the opposite direction. So for you to actually have a powerful, accurate trading strategy, it must give you direction of where the market is going. Is it going to go up or go down? And also it must give you an exact entry where you must use to actually know this is where you must enter and make money. The most important thing, you must have confirmations which actually support your entry and direction that you want to make money from. So when you're looking to enter a buy trade, you must have the market forming higher highs, higher lows, which means this high that you actually have right there must be above the previous high like this. This actually gives you the direction of where the market is going, which is the up direction. And you must note one thing: when the market is moving up and forming M patterns, these M patterns are your signals which can actually change the way you trade each and every day and make your trades more accurate than they were before. So when you actually see the market forming this first type of M pattern, this actually means the market is coming down to form a retracement and then continue in the up direction. And after we got the direction that the market must go up, and when you actually see this type of M pattern where this left side is bigger than the right side, it tells you the market just coming down to form a retracement. So the only thing that you're looking for is for the perfect entry where you can actually enter the trade in the buy direction. So when you're looking for a point of entry where you can actually look for trades, you can use Fibonacci, support and resistance, or a moving average. The one that was very appropriate today was the Fibonacci, so I had to pull it from this low right there to this up part, and by actually identifying this type of M pattern, I knew the market was going to come to the skitty 1.8 level so that you can actually look for an entry down here. Now for you to look for confirmations, you now have to go from the 1 hour time frame and go down to the 50-minute time frame. Since now we have the main trade idea, which is for the market to come down to the skitty 1.8 level and then buy like this, we now need to go down to the 50-minute time frame to actually look for confirmations that it can actually give us the exact point for us to enter and actually go up. Now when the market was coming down like this, I was looking for a point where I can actually enter, and also how to actually enter this actual trade, because finding entries can be a little bit tricky because you want to enter at the point where the market just goes straight into your direction. You don't want to be entering right there and the market goes the opposite direction, and also enter down here, which can actually end up like guessing game. When the market was going down like this, I started to see a pattern. If you also see the pattern like this video, look down there, the market is forming a W pattern. And if you understood what I explained about the different type of M patterns like these ones, this also applies to the W patterns. So when I'm looking to enter and you start to see the W patterns, there are two different types of W patterns. One which have this on the left side, and this one larger one on the right side, and this one which have the bigger part on the left side and this smaller part on the right side. This W pattern that you see right there is actually a retracement pattern, which means when the market moves like this, it will be retracing for it to actually come down and go below this actual lows of this actual W pattern. You can actually see it right here where the market was coming down like this and started to form this actual W pattern. Now when the market was now coming up, you can then see the market starting to turn, going in the opposite direction, which means this actual W pattern happening right there was just a retracement for the market to just shoot down. But there is this actual W pattern right there where this left side is upper than this right side, which is lower. When you see this actual W pattern being formed, you know if the market goes above this actual high, the market is going to shoot up and go above the previous high, which has been formed before the market actually go down to form this W pattern. Now looking at our trade, you can see the market coming down and actually forming this exact type of W pattern. The most interesting part is that this is forming exactly at our 61.8 level, which is the golden zone for retracement. Now when the market started to go up like this, I entered as many trades as possible using the maximum lot size so that when the market started to go into my direction, I can make as much money as possible from this $25 account into over $500 in this actual trade. Now you can actually see we are around $492 to be exact from this actual trade, and the market is still going up from this actual entry. But there is something more interesting which later happened, which actually contributed in us making even more money from this $25 account, and I won't be shocked if this $25 account even turn into $500, $600, or even up to $1,000 because of this exact thing that I'm about to share with you right now. When the market was going up like this, from our entry, there was a news event which was about to happen exactly right there. And if you now look on this actual trade idea, you can actually see the market went up like this, came down as a retracement, which means if we're entering down here, the market must go above this actual level. While the news event is still below right there, this news event is supposed to actually push the market and go above this actual high that we have at the top there. When this news event actually happened, the market just shoot up in our direction, now turning this $25 account into over $500. As you can see right now, let me close my trades because I've actually hit my target. If you actually like this actual strategy and you want to apply it on your next trade, like this video so that you can actually have good luck on your next trade, for you to be able to turn a $25 account into over $500 in just one trade like this. So if you want to turn a $25 account into over $500, you need a powerful trading strategy, and you must master that exact strategy so that you can actually know the direction of where the market must go and also the exact entry where you must enter this trade. Above everything, you have to believe in forex trading that these actual candlesticks that you see right there are going to buy you your dream car, change your whole family, and everyone that is looking up to you. So what do you think about this strategy? Do you think that with this exact strategy, you can actually change your life? If you believe so, like this video. Also open your account with Xness so that you can actually have the best trading results like this one. Being able to turn a $25 account into over $500 to make it easier for you, still this exact strategy, watch this video again and again, master it, and actually change your life. You can actually see the market is still going up, which means this exact strategy that I've just shared with you right there can give you more opportunities to actually make more profits in the forex market. But if you're too busy with work, you don't like to be staying in front of your screen hours and hours, you can actually do what this trader is doing on a real account, made over $35 today alone, and he's a complete beginner just like you. Now let's see how much money did he make this week alone. Look right there, over $250 just by using a very powerful forex robot called the P-Broker Scalper, and obviously this is on a real account. The good thing about this actual forex robot is that even if you're a complete beginner, you don't know anything about forex, it will actually place trades for you, grow your account, and if you are really busy at work, you don't have time to be looking at your chart, it will also find trades for you while you are at work. When you come back, you actually see the robot made you over $35 each and every day, growing your account. And there are some other traders who are making even more, over $500 today alone. And if you now look this week alone, look at this trader made over $3,000 each and every week, obviously on a real account, because he's using the P-Broker Scalper to make money each and every day without any stress. So if you also want to try out this forex robot, make over $400 each and every day on a real account, and also make over $3,000 each and every day on a real account, click the link below, which will actually take you to the Pip Rocket website, where you can actually get this forex robot, or inbox me on Telegram. This is Mobile Forex. Bye for now.